Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix your ROBOROCK Saros Z70 not charging. If it isn't charging, first make sure that the light on your station, you can see in my case it's red, make sure that the light is lighting up. If it's not lighting up, then make sure that your station is plugged into power. Ensure that the power cord isn't damaged and it's fully plugged in on both ends. You may want to try a different power outlet, or just unplug it and plug it back in, but preferably a different power outlet and preferably in a different room. If that didn't help, then you may want to do some troubleshooting with that by changing a power cord or stuff like that. But if it doesn't help, then you may want to contact the customer service. But if the light is lighting up, make sure that your robot is properly seated. For that, I recommend removing it from the station, and if the robot isn't fully discharged, it's great to press on the home button to make it go into the station by itself. But if it can't go there, you can just push it there manually. Make sure it is properly seated. Sorry. Make sure it's properly seated and that it goes all the way in. It should start charging. Also, if it didn't help, by removing the robot and cleaning the charging contacts, these two on the back of the robot, and after unplugging the station, once the light disappears, make sure to also clean the charging contacts on the inside of the station. If that didn't help, then if your robot was exposed to cold temperatures for a long time, keep it unplugged from power for like a few hours so that it achieves room temperature, and then try doing that. But if your robot is just fully discharged, or it has been laying around somewhere for a long time discharged, then you just may want to put it in the station and wait for half an hour up to an hour before it turns on, because if the battery is fully flat, that may happen. If none of that helped, you may want to contact customer service. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.